Hey kids! Today I want to show you how to use our digital reading platform edBoom to improve your English. First of all, you should go to k12.net and log into your account. Let me show you how. Go to k12.net or open the K12 app and log into your account by entering your username and password. Now go to the online services where you can find all of your digital platforms and select edBoom. Here you can see all of your books on the shelves. Under each book you can see 4 little buttons: Read, Listen, Record, and the quiz button. Start by reading the book. You can read the book silently or out loud. You can read it slowly or quickly. It's all up to you. Just make sure that you understand the story. If you don't know the meaning of a word, look it up in a dictionary. Don't forget to click the Submit button before you move on to the next step. As you can see, the reading button is gone and now it's time to listen to the book. Before you start, choose the speed and play the audio. You don't need to do anything else at this stage. Just listen to the book carefully.
My Camera by Dwayne Hodgkins. My name is Lily. This is my camera. I like to take pictures. The camera works best in a bright place. It uses light to make the picture. I point the camera at my brother. I push the button. Click. I like taking pictures of my family.
The listening button is gone too, and now it's time to record your voice. Click the red button to start recording.
My camera. My Dwayne Hodgkins. My name is Lily. This is my camera. I like to take pictures. The camera works best in the right place. It uses light to make a picture. I point the camera at my brother. I push the button. Click. I like taking pictures of my family.
Click the blue button to stop recording. And don't forget to submit it. We're almost done. It's quiz time. Read the questions carefully and choose the correct answers. You completed the quiz. Good job! When you finish all the steps, the book will be removed from your assignments, but you can always find it in your library. If you still have any questions or problems, you can always ask your English teachers for help.